guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll teach you a wonderful home treatment recipe to get rid of your cracked and dry feet in less than a week. It might be aggravating to have cracked heels and irritated feet. It not only looks unsightly, but it can also be uncomfortable, especially when wearing shoes. Cracked feet, if left untreated, can lead to major health problems. Dry, chilly skin, standing for lengthy periods of time, aging skin, wearing open back footwear, and various medical disorders, like obesity and dermatitis, are also common causes. And now, allow us to share this foot mask, with lemon, salt, glycerin, and rose water. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons glycerin, 2 tablespoons of rose water, a bath in warm water, foot scrubber or pumice stone. Method of preparation: in a basin full of warm water, combine raw salt, 8 to 10 drops of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of rose water, and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Soak your feet for about 15 to 20 minutes in the basin. With the pumice stone, scrub the heels and sides of your feet. For moisturizing, meld 1 teaspoon rose water, 1 teaspoon glycerin, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice together. Make a paste with the ingredients, and apply it to your cracked heels. Note: because this is a sticky mixture, you may want to cover your feet with socks, and keep it on overnight, and in the morning, rinse with lukewarm water. Try this natural recipe, and you will get an amazing result, in less than a week. If you liked this video, please do share, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because there are more important and useful tips that will be coming after this video. And if you have any questions, just comment in the comment section of the video. Thank you very much for watching.